This is Chasing Storms. Drink that milk, bud. It's a race. Here comes the clouds and the rain and the outflow boundary. I'm curious to see what that looks like. But it's a race against this guy. You got some chicken breasts on. Who's gonna win the race? Not looking good for the barbecue. I got the camera out. I got this camera out too. Sun's out, guns out. Now the clouds have showed up, so maybe it's clouds out, guns out. I don't know. The grill is way hot right now. It's up to 550. Almost 550. And I gotta move, man. Getting go time here. About to intercept. Oh no, a bit of a grill fire. Oh my god. Not good. Not good. I think it's game over. I lost. I most definitely lost.